AI for daily video ideas. This is how you generate unlimited content and never run out of ideas again. Stuck staring at a blank page, wondering what video to make next? That's every creator's nightmare. Let AI scan trending topics to reveal what audiences crave each day, keeping your ideas timely and relevant. AI can remix your main topic into dozens of unique video angles, so you never feel repetitive or stuck. You'll fill your entire content calendar with fresh, viral-ready ideas in minutes, all powered by AI. Never face content burnout again. Are you ready to level up your creative momentum with AI? Step 1. Set your niche and audience. Get this right, and everything else falls into place. Defining your channel's niche and audience is the first step. Without this clarity, your content won't connect or grow. Choose a specific niche: tech, fitness, education, lifestyle, or gaming. The clearer your focus, the stronger your channel's identity. Study your audience. Know their age, interests, questions, and pain points. The better you know them, the better your content fits. This clarity helps AI suggest perfect video topics and keeps your ideas sharply focused. It's your shortcut to relevance. With your niche and audience defined, you're ready for the next step. Your direction is set and your purpose is clear. AI for infinite ideas. Unlock a non-stop stream of viral video topics. Stuck staring at a blank page? Let AI prompts transform your creative block into a vault of endless content ideas. Start simple. Ask your AI to list 30 daily video ideas tailored to your niche or audience. Want relevance? Request trending topics or viral themes in your subject area to keep your content fresh. Maximize value by asking for unique, high-revenue content angles that set your channel apart. Refine the output, edit or sort the best ideas from your AI lists. Discard what doesn't fit your goals. Capture your best ideas daily. Keep them organized and ready, so you never scramble for inspiration. Ready to automate your idea generation? Step up your creative workflow and never run out of topics again. Trending topics with AI tools. Discover viral trends before your competition does. Running out of fresh video ideas? AI can spot rising trends before they're everywhere. Tracking search patterns can be tedious. AI scans millions of queries to reveal what's catching fire. Worried about missing social buzz? AI highlights rising conversations, so you're always in the loop. Finding niche topics feels time-consuming. AI sorts and surfaces relevant trends tailored to your audience. Struggling to compare trends? AI creates visual reports, making it easy to spot the hottest topics. Not sure which ideas are timely? AI blends trend data with your content calendar for maximum impact. Imagine always knowing what's next. What trend will you discover first? Daily content calendar automation. Let smart automation plan your posting schedule. Never miss a content day again. Struggling with disorganized content and missed posts? Automation brings order and consistency to your entire schedule. Your content ideas instantly appear on your daily schedule. No manual copying or planning needed. Batch plan weeks of posts ahead, freeing up mental space for better ideas and creativity. Quickly rearrange your schedule with simple drags. Stay flexible without losing track of anything important. Your schedule syncs everywhere. Always know what's next, whether you're online or offline. Collaboration is seamless. Everyone sees updates instantly, so your team stays aligned with zero confusion. Ready to automate your calendar and reclaim precious hours each week. Deep dive topic expansion with AI. This simple step turns one idea into endless content possibilities. Ever run out of topics? AI can multiply your ideas and turn them into weeks of valuable content. Start with just one idea. Open your AI and enter it for targeted expansion suggestions. Ask, expand this into a series. AI outlines a full content roadmap step by step. Request 5 angles. Get a range of fresh, unique directions to keep your audience engaged. Turn your main idea into a detailed Q&A. AI produces questions and ready-to-use answers instantly. Prompt for alternate takes. AI delivers new perspectives and approaches for wider appeal. What idea will you expand first? Let AI turn today's spark into a month of content. Audience interaction and community-driven ideas. Turn your audience's questions into your next viral video. Stuck for new video topics or low engagement? Tap into your community for inspiration and renew your creative flow. Start by scanning your video comments. Look for frequently asked questions and common feedback patterns. Check your social media DMs and mentions for direct feedback or recurring viewer challenges they share privately. Identify repeating themes or trending requests. These patterns reveal what your audience cares about most. Transform audience feedback into clear, actionable video concepts that address their interests directly. Prioritize ideas with highest demand using polls or analytics, ensuring your content aligns with what viewers want most. Let your community become your best source of inspiration. What's the greatest idea your viewers have ever shared? AI for viral content creation. This method makes every single idea clickable. Struggling with boring titles and low clicks? Let AI transform your creative process for faster, better results. Prompt your favorite AI to brainstorm 10 fresh title ideas tailored to your video's core message. Ask for hooks that leverage curiosity, emotion, or surprise. Let your AI partner pitch bold new angles. Batch generate thumbnail ideas using AI-powered design tools. Compare visuals to pick the most eye-catching look. Turn ideas into visuals. Ask AI for metaphors or surprising imagery to make your thumbnail stand out. Fine-tune by mixing different elements. Check contrast, emotion, and clarity for maximum clickable appeal. Ready to make your content irresistible? Tap into AI for your next viral idea and watch your clicks grow. Daily automation, integration with workflow tools. Turn scattered AI ideas into productive action automatically. No more missed sparks or wasted time. Ever feel a disconnect between brilliant AI ideas and your real daily workflow? That's where most creators get stuck. Automation instantly moves your new ideas straight from AI output into your daily planner, capturing creativity as it happens. It sends reminders to start key creative tasks, writing, filming, or editing, so nothing slips through the cracks. With your ideas seamlessly stored and tracked, daily creative gaps disappear, and progress becomes effortless. Imagine the results. Every spark captured, every project on track. Ready to automate your creativity? Real-life examples and success stories. See how creators are using these methods to achieve massive growth. Many creators struggle with burnout and running out of ideas, but the right approach changes everything. One educator doubled their channel growth by batching a month of content ideas in a single afternoon. A faceless vlogger saw a 50% jump in subscribers by responding quickly to trending challenges with AI tools. Short-form creators save hours by generating daily scripts with AI, freeing time for engagement and editing. Listening to their audience, one educator brainstormed weekly topics that boosted viewer loyalty and comments. Creators using automation tools uploaded daily without stress, staying consistent and creative while avoiding burnout. What could you achieve with these strategies? Your story could be the next big success. Struggling with content ideas? AI can generate a month of viral videos in minutes. Ever faced a blank page, uncertain what to post next? AI transforms creative block into endless inspiration. Type one keyword. Instantly unlock dozens of tailored video ideas for your channel's niche. Auto-generate scripts in seconds. Focus more on filming and less on planning every word. Spot viral trends before they explode, making your channel the go-to source in your field. The future of content is here. What will you create first?